Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you the case Filene basement and my analysis by using the concept learned at class. So, in the case Filene basement, we can find a conflict between Norma and Filene's basement because the customer relationship between the two parties changed. And how would this change and why would this happen? Let's first look at the analysis of Norma's customer lifetime value. By using the concept we learned at class, we can know that there are several variables that influence customers' lifetime value, including size of wallet, share of wallet, customer lifetime, and also customer acquisition cost. So during the first several years, we can know that Norma has a rather high customer lifetime value because, according to her, she spent almost 6 digits every year to buy the products of Filene's basement, and also she is very loyal to the firm. Thus, her size of wallet is large, and also Filene's basement's share of wallet is large. And also during the first several years, Norma has a long lifetime value. So in conclusion, Norma has a high customer lifetime value in the first several years. And apart from that, we can also see that Norma has a high word of mouth value because she did not only go to the store herself, but also introduce her friends to come to the store and be their customer. So Norma has a value for referral. And adding those two values together, and we can see that Norma is a customer with high profitability, and also Norma is very loyal to Felinis. She joined the Insider Club, and also she actively providing advice for the shop. She considered herself as a cooperator of the club, of the shop. And also she buys she is one of the regulars. So now we can using this matrix and we can analyze that Norma is a customer with high profitability and high loyalty, and that's why Filene's basement decide to give Norma the special treatment and consider her as a high value customer in the first several years. And when looking at the special treatment, we can see from this chart that most of the treatment Filines gave to Norma are intrinsic, which is included and which is restricted to the store itself. And there are hard rewards and soft rewards. For the hard rewards, they provide special clothes and special price for Norma, and they keep the clothes for Norma. And also for the soft rewards, they have personal greetings for Norma. The employees treat Norma specially, for example, giving her the employees room to try the clothes so that she don't need to directly wear the clothes outside in the store, outside the dressing room. And so these are and also they include Norma in the insider membership. And also they provide club activities for Norma to directly meet the management and give advice to the management. So these are all the rewards for Feline's loyalty program and they have really upgrades Norma's expectation from this store. So as time passed by, we can now find the risk of the loyalty program. One of the risks we learned at class and can be found here in this case is that Norma is become more price sensitive, and she's used to the rules and regulations to find the best price, so her profitability decrease. And also Norma buys a lot and has lots of refunds, and she considered this kind of refunds treatment as a regular treatment. Like her profitability also decreased. And apart from that, Norma considered the high service level as something that should be as common. So the cost to serve Norma is also increased. That's also decreased Norma's profitability. And so after Fellini's basement was like held by a new company, the management team changed, and they are now adapting the new customer relationship management. They are using the activity based cost methods to calculate each customer's cost, and now they find that Norma is a low profitability customer. So when they find the like those unprofitable customers, there are two methods that we've learned in the class that the company can do. The first one is change the company's business model. There's a belief that there is no unprofitable customer, only unprofitable business model. And the second method is abandon those unprofitable customers. Unfortunately, Finine's basement, they choose the second one. They decide to abandon Norma as one of the unprofitable customers. And by abandon Norma, they have several strategies. They have both indirect and direct strategies. Firstly, Fellini's basement, they use indirect strategies, like they no longer give Norma special price. They treat Norma as equally as other customers, and also they lower the service level for Norma. They no longer treat her nicely, and so that's why Norma found it is hard for her to find the best price and take advantage of the rules. And also, the managers consider her advice as a kind of complaint and treat her really rude. These are all the indirect strategies that Filene is taken to reject Norma. And also, Filene is taking another indirect method, which is withdrawal, that is decrease the relationship intimacy with Norma. Like Filene, they didn't include Norma for the club. That's why Norma found that she was not included in the membership club, and she was so shocked. However, all those indirect method didn't work. Norma is still shopping in Fellini's basement. So at last, the company decide to use the direct method, which is writing a letter forbidding Norma from entering the store, completely abandon Norma, which breaks her heart and also cause a lot of negative impact on social media. For me, I think this method can be improved because the direct method of forbidding Norma from entering the store is too heartbreaking for both Norma and the company Fellini's basement. There can be more indirect methods taken. For example, the Let's Stay Friends method. Probably the company can write a letter to Norma saying that the company is struggling and it's in the tough time, and they have to leave Norma, but they are waiting for the business model to change, and probably after several months, when their business model is changed, they will rejoin Norma and rebuild their customer relationship. So let's just stay friends for now and waiting for the future. And I think this method would be more acceptable for Norma and not that heartbreaking. Um, and also consider whether Norma can improve her profitability through the change of her actions. I think it is really hard because after several years, Norma is used to all those special treatment and rules. She is already price sensitive, and it is really hard for her to buy those products on a high price just to increase her profitability, and it is hard for her to accept the low service level. So I think Norma wouldn't change her actions to try to be more profitable. And I think that's all for the analysis. And here are more analysis, and I will upload the following slides on Blackboard. And that's all for me. Thank you.